Works is a new business that is part of the Global Freshwater Seed Accelerator, a new initiative of the Water Council and Wisconsin Economic Development Corporation. The genesis of the idea to start New Works here was really a culmination of the Water Council starting the Global Water Center and my realization and recognition of need for trained people in process automation in the water industry. We are delighted that with the support and help of many people and the Water Council, the Wisconsin Economic Development Corporation, the city leaders and industry leaders, we were able to keep to a timeline that we wanted to have the official opening and inauguration of the lab by February 10th.
What we are starting here is the latest and greatest in technology, demonstration, simulation, and learning equipment that's available anywhere in the world for the first time in the United States, right here in this building.
I was able to get involved in many different activities that opened my eyes to the needs and the situation both locally, domestically, and internationally when it comes to water issues.
Our university has a project together with an Indian university in Cochin in South India in Kerala. There was last year a conference and I gave a presentation at that conference, and it happened that Shahjan John gave his presentation, and so we met and we identified quite quickly that we have common interests.
Our long-term objective or vision is to be part of the next generation of water systems, creating next generation workforce and the improvement in the water infrastructure from an energy efficiency and productivity standpoint in the United States and wherever we have opportunity to take those.
We are something like a global village meanwhile. Yeah? This means there is interconnection between all parts of the world, and some activity like the one of Shahjan of course can include this special view of intercultural understanding.
This is a company where people are going to come to Milwaukee and learn how to be experts in the water industry. And the word is going to go out that says if you really want to learn about water, if you really want to be an expert in water, Milwaukee is where you've got to go. Milwaukee is the center of the universe for that. And that's what this company is going to help us do. This company is going to provide the training and the expertise that the world needs for dealing with its water problems.
What we will do specifically towards that is start our operations with a hands-on practical learning laboratory that covers the entire water cycle. When we talk about water cycle, what we mean is extraction of water from groundwater or surface water, purification, water supply and distribution, collection of wastewater, collection of stormwater, wastewater transport, and wastewater treatment. We have created a laboratory that simulates that entire cycle.
What we have come to take for granted in this country, opening the tap and water comes available, for that to be there over the course of next 2 decades, the estimated expenditure is $384 billion. There are lots of jobs there.
We are in the process of unveiling these courses that are available to the public.
New Works product, if you want to call it that, really can help educate children all the way up to professionals in the water industry on many aspects of the water cycle, including automation.
We can produce the kind of talent that can take on the kind of opportunity that exists to tap into this $384 billion that America needs to spend to have the kind of water that we need.
We cover a broad range of learning opportunities, starting from general informational courses all the way through courses that are more technically oriented.
It's not the typical textbook learning where you sit in a class and somebody talks at you. This is a lot different. This is something that they can participate in.
We were delighted to have the mayor who had accepted our invitation to be the ribbon cutting person for the opening. We were delighted to have all the dignitaries that are keenly aware of what we are doing here to be present for the opening. And it was a wonderful turnout.
So with that, I thank you for coming. Please enjoy our demonstrations. Please stay for reception. Thank you very much.